Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter with Jaggery. First, ensure your peanuts are roasted and cooled for the best flavor. Measure out 2 cups of these peanuts. Next, get 1/4 cup of Jaggery powder, which adds a unique sweetness. Finally, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil ready, like peanut or vegetable oil, to achieve the perfect consistency. Now let's get blending. Place your 2 cups of roasted peanuts into a sturdy food processor. Begin processing and be patient. This takes a few minutes. The peanuts will transform from crumbs to a thick paste and eventually a smooth, creamy butter. Remember to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl every minute or so to ensure even blending. Once your peanut butter is mostly smooth, it's time to add the Jaggery. Carefully add 1/4 cup of Jaggery powder to the food processor. Then, pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil. Continue processing until the Jaggery is fully incorporated and the peanut butter reaches your desired consistency. You can add a little more oil if you prefer a thinner spread. Congratulations! You've made delicious homemade Jaggery peanut butter. Transfer your fresh creation into a clean, airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. Before each use, give it a good stir, as natural separation can occur. Enjoy this wholesome spread on your favorite snacks or in various recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.